Hi everybody, this is Dr. Carmen Davis, Professor Davis. It is Monday, July 1st, and I wanted to let you guys know that I posted 2 videos yesterday that I did last semester for my senior seminar class. So please look at those because those videos are me explaining more about the literature review part of your proposal that you're doing for this class. But this is a today message. We are in week 5 of our summer session, so we only have a few more weeks left. And this is the week that you should be finishing up the first part of your proposal, which includes your introduction. It also includes your purpose of the study. It also includes you restating your research question, which I should have already approved. It also talks about, you should also talk about your operational definitions, defining terms of your research, key words, key phrases that really speak to your research that you are planning on doing. And finally, the last part of the your paper is the literature review itself, which is basically a review of all of the articles, books that you have reviewed already that you had to do in your annotated bibliography. This is a synopsis of those articles and subtopics that are up under your research, that go under. It's like the umbrella of your research topic. And in those videos that I posted yesterday in the announcements, it gives you some quick examples of what I'm talking about. So really, think of this as this is your research paper. This is the research paper portion of your proposal. You are making a case on why you are doing this research, and you are telling me what is already out there about your topic. It may not be directly related specifically to your research question that you want to find out, but there is found related literature, related studies out there about your particular topic. And you're going to review those, okay, in your literature review. So that's what you're going to do this week. You should have been working on it last week, and you're going to finish it this week and turn it in by Sunday, July 7th. Okay, I'm going to do I'm going to actually post another video that I did last semester on method section as well this week, and I'll put that under 5 course materials, because now it's time for you to decide how are you going to conduct your study. And that's what the method section is all about, and that's coming up next. And you'll be working on that in week 6 and 7, and then you'll put it all together in week 8, and then you'll be done. Again, this class, I am not requiring this class to conduct the study. I'm only requiring you to do the proposal. What we're going to do, however, in week 7 and 8 discussion, we're going to talk about how that would look if you did conduct your study. Being that the time was limited, I did not believe that we had enough time for you to actually conduct your study in 8 weeks. I'm only requiring you to do the first part, but we're going to learn about how you would do it. That way you will fulfill the requirements for the senior seminar class. So on one hand, this is a little easier than the regular senior seminar class because it is condensed, but I still have to make sure you understand, if you were to conduct your study, how you were going to go about doing that. So we'll do that in the discussion over the next few weeks, weeks probably 6, 7, and 8. But I still want a great proposal. So if someone read your proposal and they wanted to conduct that study that you are proposing, they could go out and replicate it. So that's what we're going to be working on with the method section. It will be how you plan to conduct your study from beginning to end. So we're going to be shifting focus on that in week 6 and 7. This week, finish up the first part of your paper. Okay, get that literature review done. Review the syllabus on how many pages it should be. Make sure your introduction is well developed, the purpose of the study. Everything is well developed. Okay, that way you can follow your own research. If you have any questions about this more, please, email me, send me a message in the discussion because I want to make sure everybody understands what they're doing. You are doing a research proposal paper. That's what you're doing. You're doing the first 2 parts of your senior seminar class. You are not going to conduct the study as you would if you were doing the semester class, but you are going to learn about it to fulfill the requirements. So I wanted to make sure everybody understood that. Okay, well, this is your weekly announcement. I figured doing a video would be great just to kind of give you, sometimes people learn better from hearing than reading. So I'll do more of these over the next few weeks to make sure everybody's on the same page. So you do have discussion to do this week too. So in the discussion, you're going to start just kind of brainstorming your method section. You're not writing it, you're just brainstorming it with your classmates. That's what we're doing in discussion this week. But your actual beginning part of your paper is due on Sunday in the grading book. And I will review those and give you feedback. All right, have a great week. Have a great 4th of July if you guys celebrate that. Bye.